This time we will talk about investment problems. So look at this question. A woman has a total of $9,000 to invest. She invests part of the money in an account that pays 8% interest per year and the rest in the account that pays 9% per year. If the combined interest earned in the first year is $750, how much did she invest in each account? Okay, so when you look at this question, you need to find out two different information. So one information will be her invested money. The other information will be interesting earning money here. Okay, then now, how to set up investing amount? So, I can see this is total investing amount. This is the total earning interest amount. So this will be part of the interest rate. This will be part of how much she input into on each account, right? So I'm gonna set up one account will be X, the other one is Y. I don't know how much she input in an X account or Y account, but obviously we know that total become 9,000, right? So let's set up X is 8% and then Y becomes 9%. Based on 8% and 9%, she earned this amount of money. Then how to find interest in money? So whatever you invest, you can make equations 0.08x plus 0.09y equal to $750. So next step here, now we want to find out each amount. So far we have two different variables. I'm gonna make with only one variable. So from this equation, I want to solve for either X or Y. It is totally up to you, and in this case up to me. I will solve for Y. So Y become 9,000 minus X. Okay? Then, now I can replace Y as this amount, which means you input this amount into here. Okay? Then this equation become 0.08x plus 0.09y, but we know y become this one, so 9,000 minus x equal to 750. If you are good at calculating decimal, then just do it, but it is always better you switch to integer value. So as you see, 2 decimal digit, 2 decimal digit. So we are moving each one to 1, 2 and 1, 2. Then now this one you must put 2 more zeros. Why? Because 750 means 750 comma 0000 whatever. Now we are moving 2 more digits. You are also observe 2 more digits here. So this becomes 75,000 instead. Okay? So now I can rewrite this equation. 8x plus 9,000 minus x equal to 75,000. So next step, we distribute. Then 8x plus 81,000 minus 9x equal to 75,000. On the left side, we see two different x terms, so we can combine like term. Then this become negative x plus 81,000 equal to 75,000. So we want to isolate x term alone, so subtract 81,000. Then negative x become negative 6,000. So divide by negative 1, so x becomes 6,000, which means y becomes 3,000. Why? Because x plus y must be 9,000. So x equals 6,000, then y becomes 9,000 minus 6,000 and become 3,000. So we found she invested 6,000 for 8% account, 3,000 for 9% account. Let's look at one more question. Melissa has a total of 14,500 in two accounts. One account pays 6.5% simple interest per year, and the other pays 8% simple interest. If she earned $1,077.50 in interest in the first year, how much did she invest in each account? So basically the same question as previous one. Now we can set up x plus y equal to 14,500 and 0.065x plus 0.08y equal to 1,077.50. Okay, so same way, I'm gonna solve one variable from here, always for y. I usually do for y. Then y equal to 14,500 minus x. Then to remember the next step, yeah, we plug this into here. Then this equation becomes 0.065x plus 0.08 times 14,500 minus x equal to 1,077.50 cents here. Now I count decimal digit. You see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the biggest, largest decimal digit. So we move everything to 3 digits. Then this becomes 65x plus 80 times 14,500 minus x equal to 1,077,500. Okay? So what could be next step? Yes, we distribute. Then this becomes 65x plus maybe 1,160,000 minus 80x equal to 1,077,500. Okay? And then combine like term. So 65x minus 80x, then this become negative 15x plus 1,160,000 equal to 1,077,500. We want to isolate x term, so subtract 1,160,000 then this becomes negative 15, x equal to negative 82,500. Now, last step, divide by negative 15. Then you will get x equal to 5,500. Okay, then y means we define that 14,500 minus x, so 14,500 minus 5,500. Then total becomes 9,000. So this case, Melissa invested 5,500 for 6.5% account and $9,000 for 8% account.